Hello guys, and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center. We have Nissan GTR R35. As you can see, different color, carbon fiber, whatever on the car. The guy, he bought it as it is, and then we have to do some changing on the car, and then now we're gonna go through together and I'll show you guys what we're going to do on that car. So basically, the bonnet has to be white completely. By the way, this is pearl white, 3-stage color. The bumper, he want to do some of it gonna stay carbon fiber and some of it is gonna be white. And then of course he got few dents on the wings, and then we have to do the wings and then get it blended as well. And then we have the back bumper. Back bumper is quite messy and it's off lines, so we have to rectify it for him. So here you go, as you can see. So we have to do fiberglass work on the back bumper. He got it, it's quite expensive bumper, but unfortunately it's not really on the good shape. You can see the fitment is not really right. This is very high, this is low here, so we have to do magic on that car. Not really magic, but well, yeah, we have to do things on it and make it right again and make it look nice and lovely. So we definitely show you how we're going to do the job, and then we're gonna crack on it and get it stripped now. Start stripping it now. Here you go. We have to mask the quarter panel to prevent any damage, any scratches on it, and then we're reshaping it. We have to make it flash as you know guys, because that fiberglass and it's not really perfect on perfect shape. So all these we have to build it now, so we started already on it. There you go, we have done the filler work and we have done the preparation as well. Primer, we prep the car, we mask it. Of course guys, I didn't show you how we're doing it because you don't want to see the filler work and stuff like that, you just want to see the result. So now the car has been masked. As you can see, this is going to remain as a carbon fiber. Here it was a carbon fiber, but we decided to do it white. So I will show you once we paint the car how we're peeling off this, and then we have to do re-lacquer on the top of the carbon fiber. So it's quite interesting job, and I'm really exciting to get the paint done on that car. We'll definitely show you guys how we're painting it and how we're peeling the fine line tape, because we need to have a very nice line all around the edges here. It has to be mint. And of course, once we pull it, we do lacquer, clear coat. If you run your finger or your hand, it will be like all level, smooth. The way it's been done before, you can feel the edge, but now we don't feel the edge once we lacquer it. you go. Bumpers has been prepped, masked, so now they're all ready for paint. We try to make the line straight as much as we can. And this is the back bumper here as well. It's ready for paint as well. Here you go. Bumpers has been painted. Straight away before we bake it, we have to take all the masking tape, the fine line, we have to take it off, otherwise we can't wait till it get dry and taking it off. The paint and the lacquer will peel off. So now when we take the whole masking off, it will look, oof, that's gonna look crazy. It will look absolutely nice. And this is the bumper, rear bumper. Here we go. Now we reached the level putting the car back on. So this is the bumper, goes back on. As you can see the gaps here, it's absolutely perfect and nice. And now the client, he got me those stuff, all carbon fiber. That's every single bit here, it just belongs to the back bumper. And those, the big one, it goes on the quarter panels. You're gonna see how it's gonna look once we put them on. Let's crack on and then put them. Here you go. I just put them for time being while it was on the car, and of course only few holes. All the measurement perfect, it looks fine. So now we took it off to continue and drill the holes and make them secure, proper secure, and then put it back on. So that's how they look like. They're absolutely fantastic.